Bowling off with cricket, the Jamaica Tallawahs must win 3 games in a row to win a third Caribbean Premier League CPL title, and they begin their hunt against the St. Lucia Kings in the Eliminator at the Providence Stadium in Guyana on Tuesday, starting at 6 p.m. Jerome Foster reports.
The Jamaica Tallawahs,
as it regards the batting of the team, the guys have the full backing of the staff and the coach and everybody, so it's just for them to continue put up their hand, who is put up their hand and who is not putting up their hand, to come to the party. We believe that the guys will come to the party very soon.
The Tallawahs were in pole position for a top 2 finish, but fluffed their chances at the back end of the preliminary phase. But that has not drowned the confidence.
I think it's been an up and down season for us as a franchise, but having said that, I think the guys have played some really good cricket in patches. The guys are up for the challenge and are looking forward to what the finals weekends bring. I think the guys are ready, so it's basically the business end of the competition, and it's time for us to possibly bring our A game.
The St. Lucia Kings had a dramatic last over finish against the Tallawahs in the first meeting this season. And Captain Faf du Plessis says the batting must be majestic to plot themselves into a third straight final.
As a team, I feel like, with myself and John up front, there's some really good form in there. But also some of the other guys are looking like they're hitting the ball better, and that's pleasing signs. I think you're always trying to maximize guys that are in form and trying to get into that purple patches where you cash in on that. So obviously our starts has been something that's been almost like a weapon for us.
The contest bowls off at 6 p.m. That comes after qualifier 1 at 9 a.m. when the tabletoppers Barbados Royals oppose the red-hot Guyana Amazon Warriors, who moved from the bottom of the table in a week. The winner goes straight to Friday's final, while the loser waits on the winner of the Tallawahs clash. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.